मुझे तुम्हारी परवाह है। I care about you. I care about you. यह मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है। This is my final decision. This is my final decision. यह निर्णय कठिन था। This decision was difficult. This decision was difficult. मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. हमें अब चलना चाहिए। We should leave now. We should leave now. क्या तुम मुझे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? वह हमेशा मेरी तारीफ करता है। He always praises me. He always praises me. मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझता हूँ। I understand my responsibility. I understand my responsibility. मुझे इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. तुम हमेशा देर क्यों करते हो? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? आज बहुत गर्मी है। It's very hot today. It's very hot today. क्या यह तुम्हारा अंतिम उत्तर है? Is this your final answer? Is this your final answer? क्या तुमने नया गाना सुना? Did you hear the new song? Did you hear the new song? वह सबकी मदद करता है। He helps everyone. He helps everyone. मैं अपने माता पिता से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ। I love my parents very much. I love my parents very much. मुझे डर लग रहा है। I am scared. I am scared. वह हमेशा अपने काम से मतलब रखता है। He always minds his own business. He always minds his own business. मुझे उससे कुछ कहना है। I have to say something to her. I have to say something to her. तुम्हारी मुस्कान बहुत प्यारी है। Your smile is very sweet. Your smile is very sweet. उसने बहुत अच्छा भाषण दिया। He gave a very good speech. He gave a very good speech. तुम हमेशा मेरी मदद करते हो। You always help me. You always help me. तुमने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? यह मजाकिया था। This was funny. This was funny. यह मौका गंवाना नहीं चाहिए। This opportunity shouldn't be missed. This opportunity shouldn't be missed. उसने बहुत चालाकी से जवाब दिया। He replied very cleverly. He replied very cleverly. उसने मुझे गलत समझा। He misunderstood me. He misunderstood me. वह मुझे प्रेरणा देता है। He inspires me. He inspires me. मैं रोज सुबह टहलने जाता हूँ. मैं रोज सुबह टहलने जाता हूँ. I go for a walk every morning. I go for a walk every morning. वह अभी तक नहीं आया. He hasn't come yet. He hasn't come yet. हम सभी ने एक साथ काम किया. We all worked together. We all worked together. मैंने अपनी गलती मान ली है. I have admitted my mistake. I have admitted my mistake. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मैं कुछ नया सीखना चाहता हूँ. I want to learn something new. I want to learn something new. वह अक्सर अपने दोस्तों से मिलने जाता है. He often goes to meet his friends. He often goes to meet his friends. मैं अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. कृपया मुझे अकेला छोड़ दें. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. हमें हर किसी का सम्मान करना चाहिए. We should respect everyone. We should respect everyone. मैंने अपने विचार बदल दिए हैं. I have changed my mind. I have changed my mind. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. मैंने अपने सारे काम पूरे कर लिए. I have finished all my tasks. I have finished all my tasks. यह काम मुझे सौंपा गया था. This task was assigned to me. This task was assigned to me. क्या तुम्हें यह काम आसान लगा? Did you find this task easy? Did you find this task easy? क्या तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दिया? Did you answer my question? Did you answer my question? वह कुछ खास करना चाहता है. He wants to do something special. He wants to do something special. मैंने उसे मनाने की कोशिश की. I tried to convince him. I tried to convince him. वह हर किसी से जलता है. He is jealous of everyone. He is jealous of everyone. क्या आप मेरे साथ चलेंगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? क्या आप मुझे अपना परिचय दे सकते हैं? Can you introduce yourself? Can you introduce yourself? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? Where were you going? वह हर बात में टोकता है. He interrupts in everything. He interrupts in everything. यह मौका बार बार नहीं मिलेगा. This chance won't come again. This chance won't come again.